The original idea for AirVani came to me when I was sitting in traffic in New York, and I was wondering to myself, what would it take to move all these trucks and buses off the roads and into the sky? I leaned heavily on my background in managing emerging technology portfolios as well as urban air mobility, and thought to myself, what if we could actually shift the power generation requirements off of the platform and to supporting smart infrastructure? And that was the genesis for the idea of building microgrids and catenary systems to power electric aircraft while they're in flight. We're starting small. Initially, we're looking at small form factor drones, class 1, class 2, to really support key use cases that are dual use for both the public and private sector, namely perimeter security, utility maintenance and inspection, critical infrastructure defense, as well as last mile delivery. But we tend to scale from there to really look at heavy lift loads and ultimately even thinking about moving 20-foot containers off of ships.